Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lakshmi. If you're here, you know that I'm going to talk about a do-it-yourself face pack at home. This face pack was introduced to me by my mother, so I've been using this for years now. I use it whenever I feel like I need some glow or brightness in my skin. You can use this to remove suntan, you can use this as a body scrub. It has a lot of uses. And the ingredients you need for this, you might already have them in your kitchen. So before we go deep into this, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link all the details in the description. Please do check it out. For this, you will need gram flour, also known as chickpea flour or garbanzo flour, unflavored plain yogurt, turmeric, this is my favorite ingredient, a wedge of lemon, and some whole milk. Of course, you don't need the whole bottle. Start by adding yogurt. You can mix it now or mix it later after adding all the ingredients. I guess I'm doing it right now. Then add lemon juice. Don't add too much of this if you have sensitive skin. Go for honey instead of lemon if you have sensitive skin. Then add whole milk and then turmeric. Don't add too much of this either because it might have some yellow hues to it. And then mix all the ingredients really well to make thin paste. Now I'm applying it all over my face. Ha 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 ha. Now I'll be waiting for it to dry. Now that I have a lot of time on my hands, I think I'll go through my Instagram. Or just try to scare my dog. But she's like invincible. Look at her face. Zero care. Once it's all dry, I think it took me like 30 minutes. I'm just trying to scrub it all off. While doing this, I was wondering if you guys have any home remedies that are passed on by your mothers or grandmothers. Just let me know in the comments. I want to know. It can help someone. It looked like some of my peach fuzz was coming off while doing this around my jaw area. I wetted some of the really dry areas to make the scrubbing easy, because scrubbing the really dry parts would hurt a little and create some redness. Scrub in circular motions, especially in those areas where you have uneven skin tone or some blackheads. Like I said, you can use this as a body scrub. Apply it all over your body. Maybe use it in your spa day and you'll glow like a star. Once I'm done, my skin felt really smooth and bright. If it feels dry, follow it up with some moisturizer. I would do this once in a week. It also evened out my skin tone. Told you, so many uses. Have good skin without makeup. I'll mention the uses of all the ingredients in the description. You can take a look if you want to know more. So I totally love this. I hope this video helps you. This is a powerful home remedy and it can be made with simple ingredients, so give it a try. And before I close, please take a look at my other skincare videos and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.